Okay, we're here to give you a quick rundown on how to install the Rapid Unwind rack designed by Mike Thompson at DMSE and also Eagle Events. Michelle is our operations manager here. She's going to be handling the rack for us to show us exactly how to mount it on these crowd control barricades that most of you are very familiar with. This will fit on other style barricades, but this is the most common one in most of the major events. So the rack consists of a shaft. It's a PVC pipe. I think it's 2 inches in diameter. There are clamps that are stored on the inside when the rack is shipping, and that's just so they don't catch on anything, is to reduce the space it takes to put them in place. And they're held in place by a carriage bolt and a wing nut, so they don't require any tooling to mount. So we've already got one of these in place. Ready to hang, and Michelle's going to just pull the other one out for you and install it so you can see how simple this really is. So it's really just a matter of pulling the bolt out, turning the piece around and putting it on the outside, threading the bolt back through the holes. And you might note that the wing nut needs to go on the inside. That's pretty important, because if it doesn't, when you try to mount it on the barricade, the wing nut's going to interfere. You'll notice too, while Michelle's doing this, there's a piece right here. It's actually hollow, and that was originally designed for us to put a zip tie or a cable tie through. And the idea was to lash it around the back of one of these vertical rods that are 4.5 inches on center. The only issue was we found that wasn't stable enough. So the older design, the modification is that there is a fork coming off right here where this piece is, and it's forked so that it fits on either side of this. So when you open it, so at this point we've got the two pieces. One's going one way and one's going the other. There we go. Okay. All right, so we're ready to mount the rack now. So go ahead, Michelle. The rack simply goes right on top of the barricade, and the main thing is to line up the rack so that, oh, we got one on the inside?
First time. Yeah.
Oops.